Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you've come to the right place. On this channel we discuss tech, wealth, lifestyle and training. Please check out all my content, like, share and smash the subscribe button. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys 10 side hustles you can start right now as a student. I'm going to be doing this video in a quick-fire format, so I'm going to be going through them as fast and as briefly as I can. If you want a more in-depth video for anything I talk about in this video, just drop a comment in the comment section down below. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first way to make money right now is drive Ubers. You're in charge. You can drive with the Uber app day or night. You can fit driving around your life. You also make money on your terms. The more you drive, the more money you can make. When demand is higher than normal, you can make even more. Swiftly moving on to the second point, we have flipping stuff on eBay. You can find literally anything you can imagine on eBay, and I bet 9 times out of 10 you can resell that same item for more than you bought it for. Get buying and get selling right now. And for the third way, we've got tutoring. Tutoring is a flexible work that you can fit around your studies. There are 2 ways you can make money tutoring: by offering face-to-face tuition or online tuition. You can choose your hourly rate and teach others something you're passionate about whilst also making money. The fourth way to make money is by selling your class notes. You've probably put hard work into your class notes, so why not sell them and get something in return? There are like 1,000 websites that would pay you for your notes. Some examples are Course Hero, Nexus Notes, Note Sale and Omega Notes. And for the fifth way, we've got reselling textbooks. Similar to the previous one, after you use your textbooks you have no use for them, so why not sell them and make money? You can also flip textbooks by selling them from cheap wholesale retailers and then selling them for a bit more for each. Students are always looking to buy textbooks, so there's money to be made. So for number 7, we've got giving haircuts. Cutting hair will allow you to make money whilst also being able to donate the hair that you collect. You can schedule customers at times that are most convenient for you. Most people settle for prices like £15 at their local barber or salon. But what if they could get a good looking haircut from another student they know for cheaper? They will jump at the opportunity. Once you give them a quality cut, they will be a returning customer, so there will be steady income from that customer alone. The 8th way I have for you guys is giving music lessons. Similar to tutoring, you need to be proficient in what you want to teach. This can be an instrument or it can be vocals. You can provide music lessons both online or face-to-face, and tailor these times depending on your studies. You can also choose your hour rate. Also, if you do really like what you're teaching, it won't even feel like a job, it will feel like a relaxing session. For number 9, we've got renting out a room. For many of us, our spare room is a place where we store all those things that we don't know what to do with. But no one realizes how many students are looking for rooms to stay in while they're studying at university or college. If you can provide them with a price that's cheaper than the average, they will definitely get into contact. This will give you monthly side income for just letting someone stay in a room that you don't even use. And for the last way, we've got delivering food. Delivering food is simple and you can do it at your own convenience. For example, Uber Eats is a service available in hundreds of cities worldwide. Depending on where you're located, you might even be able to make deliveries on a bike or a scooter, in addition to using a car. You receive orders on your phone and manage your trips to restaurants to pick up orders before delivering them. Uber Eats drivers earn around £9 to £15 per hour after accounting for vehicle expenses. For a student, this is a great way to make money on the side. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys like this quickfire format and have maybe decided to do one of the things I mentioned and start making money now. If you like this video, show me some love by smashing that like button, smashing that subscribe button and sharing this video to friends and family. As always, feel free to drop any video suggestions or questions you have for me in the comment section down below. Also remember to stay safe and keep your family safe during this pandemic. See you next time on Butte Man.